Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, my people. How na dey? I greet the full house. So una do well. Hope say una dey fine. Una do well. So una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. I appreciate una well. God go bless una for me. My people, wonder shall never end. This one wey I see so hey, na wow. I feel dey talk am say that country, hey, we no know which way we no know where we dey go again. This lady wey una dey see so, I go put the full video make una hear wetin she dey talk. Wetin happen to am. My people, the thing dey make me, I no know as I wan take talk am. I no know as I take talk am because na everyday na we dey take dey hear different things. And no be say dey say maybe everything go dey okay. E dey worst more and more. Na everyday we take dey hear bad things for that wetin dey happen for that our country. This our sister say she dey come from work na she enter all this keke napep as no be only she dey inside, but as she enter na another people still dey, another person still dey inside. The next thing wey she come dey hear na to say make una no just move make una just close una mouth, make una keep una mouth pin una pin am. My people, e say where dem even pass sef, say ogbalegbe even dey road. Una know na ogbalegbe, if you give ogbalegbe 100 naira, e go say make you pass. So far make you just drop, as you just dey drop something for them, no problem. Dem say make you dey go. Dem no dey control whether SDP dey inside o, whether SDP no dey o, whether something wey you no suppose carry dey o. My people, e say dem even pass where ogbalegbe dey. Ogbalegbe no even say make dem check wetin dey go on for inside car. They say dem no even do anything. Na so dem carry dem go inside forest. Inside forest, then dem go see their self for there. No be only that one o, beating everything. Hey, my people, na dem call dey talk say make dem call their people, say if una just make noise for here, na today una go see una self reach. E say inside that cooler wey dem open for dem, my people, everything na dey inside o. Which one you wan buy? Na eye, na ear, na breast, na the other one? E say everything dey inside. Person body, my people, na dey inside. Wey dem don dey like say dem dey sell am. Hey salobua, God abeg o, who come dey know wetin dem dey. Ay God, if I no dey hear all these things I go come dey fear even to eat meat sef, because you no know the kind of meat wey you come dey eat now. My people, the one wey una, I believe say many of una see one video wey e still go viral for social media. I no get chance to do that video. I for still talk about am. Na men cassava na dem take dey cook stew, whether na stew, whether na soup dem cook, only God na come know. Only God na come know. Hey, we no know where the country dey go again. And all this you just see say we dey find this little girl, e miss since 3 days o, we no see am o, make una help us find out. Who know wetin? Na only God na go help us. And he say that bush wey dem dey, people dey come there come buy. Hey, that country. He say people dey come there come dey buy the body parts wey dem dey sell. Dem come buy, dem carry cooler come buy wetin dem wan buy, dem still comot. Many people, some people know wetin dey go on there. Abi my people, me I no come. Abi dem no dey kill cow meat again. Na human being na dem come turn to. Hey, my brothers and sisters. Sometimes if I hear if I see some video, I hear wetin dem dey talk about, I'll say even the lady say show e body, the way dem say na wow, only Baba God na go help his children. only God na him go head all this one na adult now wey go fit talk say see wetin happen. Small children like people with small children wey dey 4 years 5 years wey no fit talk wetin dey happen, wetin where dey carry am go. No, that country the woman show all her body and dem say no be small thing, no be small thing, my brothers and sisters. If una get una people for house, una tell them make dem dey be careful, make dem dey be careful. Even to enter bus now e come be problem. This one na keke na e enter o. I dey go my house na I see say people dey for inside car. You know say if you enter bus no be say you go dey suspect say abi na there abi no be there. But nowadays wey we dey so you need to suspect o. You need to suspect. Na only even though you even get your car sef, you go even dey fear whether dem even hide for inside your whether dem even hide for your boot, you no know. Na only God na go dey save us for that country. Only God na dey save person. See this one now, she dey fit dey talk wetin happen. Some day say e eye see where people body wey dem just wey dem call like wey dem just cut e say her eye see am. I go put the video more na watch, more na hear wetin she talk. No be my mouth I go for talk everything. My people, una do well, so una take dey help me dey share. Una still share this one. Those people wey still get family, make dem tell their family, make dem be careful. Una do well, my people. One love. See you for my next audio.
My people, I want to explain wetin happen to me on my way from work to my house. I take tinted keke mini bus that is going to St. John's, Iwofe Road. As I enter, I'm not the only one there. No be me be the only person. As we gather enter the bus bar, na per knife with gun, now we see. They say everybody silent, if not they will kill you. The next thing they open one cooler, human being pass, breast, everything dey inside with ice block. They say if we talk, then go kill us. We reach police checking point. Police people know they even they check motor, waiting they happen. Their own are to take ransom. They go 100 naira. We no fit shout, we no fit do anything because we there for death point. We endure till before we find ourselves. Now inside a local government, inside forest, where they say human pass. People they come there, they drive motor, they come buy human pass, put for fufla cooler, carry go their house. They say 2023 election they come, now waiting then talk. When I hear things they happen, people they die every day. People they die every day for Nigeria. People they miss every day for Nigeria. See what thing they do to me. See what thing they do to me. Then carry me on Sunday, which is on the 23rd of May. They released me around 8. After they said my people should pay some ransom. They touched my breast. They say you don't born. Go this side. Say you know they of no use. Say then they find people who never born. Then they slaughter them. People when they kill like 7 people for my present with my koro eye. And so they cry. I say, God, my pikin, God, what thing I want tell people? My people don't know where are they. The next thing, they take my naked photo. They send them to my people. They say my people should pay ransom of 3 million naira. We no get the money. And so we beg. Now so friends from different angle come they help. They provide. Now so they take gather. The little one where they gather. Beg them with God. I beg them, cry. People they die. Even one lady where they sick asthma. She die on top of my leg. Then throw her inside the pit bar. Then they put people, cut people. People they select how much with this part, then they buy, they go. Mona do something. Nigerians, I beg, we they die for River State. Then they keep people for River State, mini bus, tinted bus. Where they go, those keke tinted bus, where they go, all of them, they are risky. Please, Facebook friends. I saw somebody wey come meet me for there. She said she find person from Lagos. Come that place. I say, what you can do for that place? You no see man for Lagos. You find man who come here. Yesterday, then kill the lady. Slaughter her, sell her pass. She never born one pikin. Things they happen for River State. Young girls, young boys, small children, and they carry. people they miss for inside the country where we dey, but we no know. You go see your fellow neighbor, you never see am 1 week, you no know where in dey. You no know whether they don't kidnap am. Kidnappers, then they say human being pass. People they come there, come by. My people, more na fight against this thing. Human slaughter. I beg. The place where they carry me go, the only thing I remember, them blindfold me. After my people don't cooperate with them, finish them, blindfold me, carry me, come out. The only thing I can remember when I raise my eye, now Catholic Church of Nigeria, now see, for a Eche local government. Now so, are they there? Police call. Say people come to pay ransom, then carry police people from River State, they come. Say make them shift us, go inside another camp, inside the forest. Say then they come. Now waiting police people, they bargain with those people. The chief, everybody of that local government, they know what is going on there. Please, you people should help. People are dying. There are more people there. Victims are there. They are selling human parts. They keep iron table when they say they slaughter people. Almost 7 people die. Should help. People are dying. There are more people there. Victims are there. They are selling human parts. They keep iron table when they say they slaughter people. Almost 7 people die for my presence. Look at my body. Mona see my body. See what human being they do. See all my body. I don't feel naked. Mona see my body. They post my naked picture. Snap me with a lady. Even that lady self now, she don't die. She dey sick asthma. 6,000 naira now I beg them. Say make them go buy this thing for her. They say no. Make her brother send money. Even her brother they blind. She get 5 children. The brother say his wife don't leave him. Say now only that his sister they take care of her. Make them leave her for her. In they blind. I beg. They no fit buy inhaler for her. 6,000. The lady there die on top of my lap. Give up. Stretch for there. I don't know wetin I for do. More na help. Nigeria we dey die. Then they kill people every day. Human slaughter. Inside River State things they happen. Children they disappear. See, I take drip to help myself. I won't go there. I say I dey hospital since. I just say ma take drip finish make I go house. So I just want to make this video viral. Make people see them. Make them walk towards it. Eche local government. Make them go there. Make them go see wetin dey happen inside their forest. If na jet then go carry go there, make them carry go. People they die every day. The only way I won't tell on my people.